Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, she's going to be doing a hair mask treatment, something that we do at least once a month. This is like a mega mask. This is a once a month thing that I do to make my hair feel strong, beautiful, luscious, shiny. But before we do anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications, because why not? Why not? You gotta keep up with the Castano twins. Okay, so these are the three masks. Actually the three products that we're gonna use. So this is a thickening oil. This is a silicone type of hair mask, which is literally just used for shine and to bring your split ends together. And then this one is what it says, crece pelo. So this is actually really good for hair growth and to thicken the hair. Kind of the same thing that this does, except that we leave this on for a little longer. And our secret ingredient, this is literally the secret to my hair. I promise you guys, this is not sponsored. Hairtamin, amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys just exactly what I do to incorporate it into the mask. So I'm gonna take about this much of the silicona mask. If you have more hair, I would use probably 2 of these, because, you know, for me, for example, probably 3. This one, we're gonna take about this much. Oh, I think that's a little too much. About this much, just like a spoonful. And then this oil, I'm gonna apply about 3 to 5 drops, but this is literally the secret to this recipe. We're gonna just apply it in Marty's scalp before I even do the mask and massage it kind of to stimulate the blood flow. And then this right here, this is where the magic happens. And what I'm gonna do with this is kind of just put the powder in there from the capsule.
Anyway, so we're gonna just mix it together.
We're gonna start with okay, so watch as I apply this in her scalp and massage it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is basically put this oil into the scalp like I mentioned before, but you wanna make sure you just get it like on the roots, not the hair, because it takes forever to take off. And just gently massage, kind of like this. How does that feel? Feels great. In 2 minutes, I'll be asleep, dreaming about a combo. Yo, I swear to God, I was saying the same thing in my head. I was like, she's gonna say combo. I swear. Okay, so now comes the actual mask itself. Look how good that looks, guys. A mixture of hair loving. Okay, so as always, we start from bottom to top. We talk, we like, we. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish her whole head. We'll show you guys in a minute or two how it looks. Okay, so now I have finished her hair. I literally worked my way from bottom to top as I had mentioned before. You just want to make sure you get all of the hair because, listen, this shit was like clean, like literally. So I'm gonna add a little finishing touches, brush her hair out, and I'm gonna show you guys that part. So now I'm just gonna gently brush out her hair and exfoliate with this brush. It's actually from Aveda. They have really good hair stuff. If anyone's interested, once again, I'll link this down below as well. Just brushing the treatment into the hair follicle is so important because you're not only stimulating and putting it to work, but you're kind of just detangling, making it easier for you when you get out of the shower. So watch and learn. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. First, you have to split the hair in half, into equal halves, just like this. I'm really gentle because I hate pulling out unnecessary hair. And she knows I'll get tight. So now we have applied the mask to her hair and we're gonna just let it sit for 2 hours and see how that simmers in. And we'll update you guys in a few hours on how it looks. Stay tuned. So this is my hair. I haven't straightened it, blow dried it, anything. I just let it air dry. And I think it looks very nice.